Welcome to our channel, where we share valuable insights into the world of real estate. In today's video, we'll discuss how to sell luxury real estate, tip strategies for beginners who are looking to dive into the world of high-end property sales. Whether you're an experienced realtor or new to the luxury market, this video will provide you with actionable steps to increase your success. Selling luxury real estate isn't without its challenges. Address common pain points and provide solutions to overcome them. Emphasize the value of your services and expertise in handling complex luxury transactions. The first step in selling luxury real estate is to know your property inside out. Conduct a thorough property analysis, highlighting its distinctive features and amenities. Research comparable sales in the area to determine the property's market value accurately. By presenting these facts to potential buyers, you'll build trust and credibility. In the luxury market, networking is essential. Connect with high net worth clients, real estate agents, and industry professionals to expand your reach. Attend exclusive events and join luxury real estate associations to build strong relationships. By establishing yourself as a trusted expert, you'll gain referrals and repeat business. High-end marketing is a must in the luxury real estate market. Utilize digital advertising, social media, and luxury property magazines to reach your target audience. Professional photography and videography are crucial in capturing the property's grandeur and attracting potential buyers. Pricing luxury properties correctly requires a delicate balance. Consider recent market trends, comparable sales, and the property's unique features. Avoid overpricing as it can deter potential buyers. A strategic pricing strategy will attract serious buyers while maximizing the property's value. Negotiating luxury real estate deals requires finesse. Understand the needs and preferences of potential buyers and tailor your negotiation approach accordingly. Be prepared to showcase the property's value and justify the pricing with facts and figures. In this segment, we'll explore the art of showcasing luxury properties to potential buyers. From hosting exclusive open houses to organizing private tours, we'll cover the best practices to make a lasting impression. Luxury clients expect exceptional service. Go above and beyond to provide an unforgettable experience, from personalized gifts to catering to specific preferences. A happy client can become a valuable source of referrals in the luxury market. Selling luxury real estate isn't without its challenges. Address common pain points and provide solutions to overcome them. Emphasize the value of your services and expertise in handling complex luxury transactions. That wraps up our guide on how to sell luxury real estate. Tip strategies for beginners. Remember, success in the luxury market comes with dedication, knowledge, and exceptional service. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with fellow realtors. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy selling.